Hi, in this video I am going to be demonstrating one of the lesser known but very useful features of Livestock Manager, which is the automatic recurring records. This feature allows you to configure a given record that happens on a fixed frequency to be automatically created without you having to create records all the time. Let's say, for example, you have some employees whom you pay a given salary every month. You can configure Livestock Manager to create an expense on your behalf at the end of every month. Or you have a batch that is fed a given quantity of feed every day. You can configure Livestock Manager to create a feed record on your behalf every morning. The importance of this is that it frees up your cognitive load, so you don't have to remember whether or not you've created such records, and thereby giving you the time to focus on more important tasks on your farm. Let me demonstrate this. To do this, you head over to More and look for automatic recurring records. I am going to create the first one. Let's say expense, and we are not selecting a specific batch. In the case of an employee salary, this applies to the whole farm. Number of units of 1, and the cost per unit of, let's say, $5,000 per month. The category here is labor and employment, and I'll set this to daily for the sake of testing. On my development environment where I am demonstrating this, I've set a day to represent 1 minute, so I can show this working without having to wait a day. I'll set an end date in the future and confirm. Let's just add an optional note. And save. While I am here, let's say we want to record feed out, and this is fed to batch 1, let's say 50 kilograms daily. Set a date in the future. And let me just add medical record. This is also another thing that happens on a fixed frequency. That usually happens on a fixed frequency on farms. Vaccination and medication. Oh, you see a minute already elapsed, and you see the feed out record was created. But vaccination, let's say we are vaccinating, I don't know, vaccine against let's say 50 milligram as the dosage. That's a virus, not a disease, but anyway, set this to daily and select an end date in the future. And save. Now that all of these are set and are active, you can head over to let me just add one more income. Globally, let's say sales of something. You have perhaps a customer who buys your products on a fixed frequency. You can have the number of units, let's say 500. It's a sale of X daily and an end date in the future. And I save. We have all of this configured and they are all active. Depending on the frequency, the system will automatically create these records on your behalf. As you can see here, it automatically created 2 finance records. Those are the labor and employment records. You can see the details with the note, and the reports are automatically updated. Oh, our income record was created, and you see that's income, sales of X. The balance is automatically updated, and your reports are automatically updated. You see sales of X. We can head over to records, and you see feed out records are being created on your behalf. And of course, medical records are being created. Just wait and for one to be created. And that is created right there. At the same time, an income record was created, and your medical records are being created. So this is the power of this feature. You don't have to manually enter these records every day or every month or every year, depending on the frequency. And I believe this will be very useful to some farmers. It was actually suggested by one of the users of this app, and I am very happy that I implemented this. So that is automatic recurring records, and I hope you enjoy it and give me a lot of feedback, suggest ways to make this better. And yeah, so let's say you are done and you want this to stop being created. We currently have 4 active records being created. You can pause, you can mark them as completed, and you can change the status back to active, mark this as completed, and the records will stop being created. And everything should look good. If you wait for another minute, you should notice that nothing is being created. See, all reports are updated as the records are being created. So I believe a minute has passed and nothing was created. So that is automatic recurring records on Livestock Manager. Use it, try it out, give me a ton of feedback, and happy farming. Thank you for using my app.